Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I am a working mom with several part-time jobs, and I need a bag that can hold it all, organize it all, and keep my life together. And to tell you that I am obsessed with this work tote from TOPDesign doesn't even begin to touch it. Like, I am literally obsessed. Once I packed all of my gear in this bag, I have used it every single day. As you can see, every day I'm walking to work, I've got this bag. It holds everything. And the really awesome thing is that it also organizes everything. It is multifunctional and it has 8 exterior pockets and 5 interior pockets. It has a double lining, it's water resistant, and it holds and protects your laptop up to 15 inches, which is the perfect size for me. It stands upright and it's got bottom cushioning. This is the perfect bag if you work in medicine like I do, if you're a teacher, if you're a mom. I got it in this lovely olive green color because I was going for, a neutral that I could wear with absolutely anything. But I have to tell you, there was a ton of fun colors and designs, and I don't know, I feel like maybe I should get several more in really fun prints. You can tell how thoughtfully this bag was designed because it is perfect for holding all the different things that most moms, most career women need to have with them. The water bottle, it'll hold up to a 32-inch water bottle, your wallet, your keys, your laptop. I keep my planner, I keep a first aid kit, I keep a quick makeup bag, some hair stuff, you name it, I've got it, and I'm ready to deal with anything that gets thrown at me. I love this bag. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.